So here I am in my new setup, and well, it is pretty cool because I got snow in the background, got my cat back there, and I'm high up in the sky. And obviously, this is a virtual background, just playing around with OBS and the green screen settings. And so basically, I have a green screen behind me, and I have this video that's just looping over and over and over. And this is something that I think is really cool that OBS just provides this into the tool. And I think it's something that you can take advantage of if you want to use it, for fun like I do, or maybe if you are a professional who uses a lot of green screen, then it's just really, really great to be able to use a free tool like OBS to do things like this. And this is a very simple setup. I just basically have my room light, and obviously I have a green screen behind me, and I'll show you that here in a bit. And if I did want to add more light, and that's a really big thing, the type of lighting that you have is really important. I have a light in front of me, and I just turned that on, and so basically the light is bouncing off the wall, and so as you could probably tell, things are a little bit brighter, and I think it looks better that way. So let me show you how it looks like whenever I have my green screen off. So this has to do with my webcam. There are some filters which is so powerful. It's a chroma key filter, and I have done a video on this in the past, and I will leave links to those videos in the description area below. As you can see, here's my green screen, and this green screen is awesome. This is the Elgato green screen. It's super easy to use, very high quality, and obviously it works. And let me show you how it looks like without it. So that's what I have with my background without the green screen. And I can't tell you, how much fun it was whenever I did get a green screen and to see it work for the first time. And the very first green screen that I got was this really inexpensive eMart cloth green screen. And for some people, it could make that work. But for me, I find that getting it set up, having wrinkles, which is a big problem, especially when you're trying to do really good chroma key, is a pretty huge problem if you want to make sure that everything looks perfect as much as possible. And that's why I decided to go ahead and invest in an Elgato green screen, because first, the surface is flat. Secondly, this thing is portable, fairly portable, and it's super, super easy to set up. So I'll just go ahead and roll it back up. And then, obviously, once I get my green screen set up and my seeing in OBS is set up as well, I'll go ahead and go to my filters and turn on my chroma key. And as stated before, I do have videos showing you how to do this, but I just thought this is a fun thing to be able to use every now and then. For some people, they use green screen a lot. For me, it's just whenever I feel like it. And in this case, I could also change my environment anytime that I want. So if you are new to this whole world of using green screens, this is just a sample of how it could work for you and how overall easy it is to do. And I will leave an OBS video on how to do this for anybody who's new to doing this. And I'll also leave a review to the Elgato green screen as well, both of them in the description area below. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.